In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best affiliate programs for travelers that pay big commissions. Whether you are a travel blogger, Instagrammer, or just love sharing your adventures, these programs can help you make money while exploring the world. Stick around because the number 1 is a total game changer, and let's get started. Starting with the number 5, and it's Amazon Associate. The commission rate starting from 1 and it's up to 10%, and it's depending on the category for each product. Amazon Associate is one of the most well-known affiliate programs out there, and it's great for promoting travel essentials like backpacks, cameras, power banks, noise cancelling, headphones, and even books. Since Amazon is trusted worldwide, it's an easy program to monetize for travel bloggers, YouTubers, and influencers. One strategy is to create a travel must-have video or a blog post and include affiliate links to the product. Even if someone doesn't buy the exact product you link it, you still earn a commission on anything else they purchase within 24 hours. Okay, the number 4 is booking affiliate program. The commission rate is starting from 25% and up to 40% of booking earnings per booking. If you have an audience that books hotels, then booking affiliate program is a gold mine. You can earn a commission every time someone books accommodation through your referral link. The great thing about booking is that it offers properties in nearly every country, making it a perfect choice for travel bloggers, YouTubers, or Instagram influencers. You can promote booking links in destinations, guides, hotel reviews, or even YouTube descriptions of travel vlogs featuring different cities and resorts. If you have a blog, you can embed booking widget to make booking easy for your visitors. Number 3 is SkyScanner affiliate program. The commission rate up to 20% of SkyScanner revenue share. SkyScanner is one of the most trusted flight search engine, helping travelers find cheap flights worldwide. Their affiliate program lets you earn commissions whenever someone books a flight, hotel, or car rental through your referral link. A great way to promote Skyscanner is by creating content on cheap travel tips, budget travel hacks, or flight deal orders. You can also compare different airlines and show how Skyscanner finds the best prices. Since flights are one of the biggest travel expenses, people actively search for deals, making this program very high converting. Number 2 is NordVPN. The commission rate is up to 40% per sale. If you ever used a public Wi-Fi in a hotel, airport, or coffee, you know how risky it can be. That's why travelers need a VPN to protect their data, access region-locked content, and browse securely. NordVPN is one of the best VPN services, and they offer high commissions for affiliates. You can promote NordVPN by demonstrating how it helps travelers access blocked websites like Netflix or banking apps, secure their personal data, and even find cheaper flights by changing their virtual location. A quick tutorial of travel security tip video is a great way to drive conversions. Number 1, and it's a total game changer, and it's Siley affiliate program. Commission rate, high commission from top travel brands. If you are in the travel niche and want to earn a passive income, the Siley affiliate program is a perfect choice. Siley offers a powerful eSIM solution for travelers, providing secure, fast, and hassle-free connectivity in over 30 virtual locations. But what makes this affiliate program a gold mine? A high commission rate, earn generous commissions promoting a service every travelers needs. Easy conversions. People are already looking for secure and flexible eSIM, making it an easy sell. Strong value proposition. Siley built-in ad blocker, web protection, and location changing features make it stand out from competitors. Plus, with the rising demand for eSIM technology, now it's the best time to start earning commissions by recommending a trusted travel tech solution. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.